Want to go down the sled?
You like the snow, Corbin?
Want to slide down the sled?
No.
Is that a lot of snow? It's like if I crawl, I won't fall through. And then he does.
Yeah. Hey, Corbin. Corbin. Hi, look. Watch.
Look at Daddy.
Corbin. Hey, Corbin. Watch. Hey, Corbin.
Teach him how to make a snow angel.
I did.
Oh.
He didn't want to.
You're eating more snow? He
Yes,
grabbed a big
snowman.
ball and was eating it. You like that, huh?
Eat this stuff. Want to go down the slide again?
No.
No, you didn't like that. You loved it last year.
Well, he laughed. He liked it, but I think he's more entertained with this.
A glass.
Where's
Where
the
did
grass?
Go. Look at this, Corbin.
Snowball.
Watch.
Hey!
Did you see that? What did Daddy do?
Don't throw it at Mommy.
You want me to do it again?
No.
Yeah.
Throw it at Corbin.
There you go.
Daddy. It's not nice. Hey!